Horses walk on tiptoe. True or false? Horses are big animals. Listen to one clip-clopping along a paved road or thumping over a field. It certainly doesn't seem to be traveling on tiptoe, but it really is. Each foot ends in one very long toe. A horse stands, walks, trots, canters, and gallops on the tips of 4 toes. A horse's foot reaches about halfway up its leg. What looks like a knee to us is really the ankle. And then look at this diagram. There's the hip, knee, heel or hock, and toe. Each toe is covered by a hoof made of hard, horn-like material that grows, just as our fingernails do. The outside wall of a hoof is strong enough to support most of a horse's weight. Paved roads and other hard surfaces can injure hooves. That is why owners shoe their horses with a rim of metal that protects the hoof. Nailing a shoe to the hoof wall does not hurt any more than cutting a fingernail does. Horses are the fastest land animals. True or false? With their long legs and strong muscles, horses are fast runners. But the fastest runners of all are cheetahs or hunting leopards. When a cheetah puts on a burst of speed, it can travel at 60 miles an hour. It can keep up this speed for only a short time, about 15 seconds, but no other land animal can run as fast. The fastest horses are race horses. Some can reach a speed of about 40 miles an hour for distances of less than a mile. The top speed for human runners is about 26 miles an hour for short distances and 15 miles an hour for a mile. Horses are excellent at covering long distances quickly. Some have traveled 50 miles in a little more than 4 hours.